Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Smoliv from Pokemon. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Smoliv, we're going to begin with the body. So we want to start here. We're going to make a line that's just going to curve down, and then we're going to come up here. So let's begin right about here. We're going to pull this line down. We're going to curve it around and then bring it up. Right here, let's make the little feet. So we'll begin by drawing a line that's going to come down and then out. And we'll put one right here. We're going to go down and then up. Just two little kind of triangles for the feet. Down here, let's make the face. Let's begin with a circle for an eye right here. We're going to leave some space, and then we're going to make another circle for an eye right over here. Inside each one, we'll draw a smaller circle. And then let's go ahead and color the outside of that circle. Let's make the mouth next. To start the mouth, let's begin here. We're going to go up and down, up and down, up and down here. Then we'll add a small curve at the end of each one. Then we'll go down and up, down, and then up here. Now let's begin right in about the middle of here, and we're going to put some little leaves. Let's start here. We'll go ahead and make a line that's going to come up to a point, and then we're going to bring this back down here and connect. Then I want to bring this line up a little bit. Out here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out to a point, and then we're going to come back. Then let's make that olive on top of the head. So we're going to draw a nice big kind of rounded shape that's going to go up and come down to here. And inside of here, we'll make an oval, but we're not going to connect the oval. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out to a point and then bring it back. And we'll bring this line up. Next, right here, we'll curve this down and around. And then bring it up here. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Pokemon Smoliv. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.